Welcome, my name is Tonya.
And I'm Gabe, and together we are breaking home base.
After selling our home and most of our stuff, we turned our lives upside down to begin a new adventure of full-time RV home-based living.
The scariest moment is just before you start, but nothing changes if nothing changes.
Our families may think we're crazy, but we're building life on our terms with a new way to approach career, relationships, family, health, and the stuff that accumulates in our lives.
Let today be the start of something new.